What's up guys, Neo here. I am back with another video on Nightmare Drive. Do I sound low? Oh, it's because my sound was so like, so there's a new car in the game, and I'm gonna try getting this video. Like that would probably be my goal for this video. If I don't find it when, you know, find it, we find it. Don't find it, we don't find it. But we are gonna find it someday. Nope, wrong way. Which is the car is called? Looking for the Chow. I would think it's Chow. Chow? Yeah, Chow. We are halfway done with our goals. I am going to avoid these zombies because their ability exists now. Turn. Well, these cars do not turn. I think the next one you'll see is for them. That's the goal. I want zombies in my hood. Oof. Switch here. Glad that their ability. It's gonna be kind of annoying. Actually. My PC not being so good, I lag a lot, so I can't really drive the best, but we drive to the best of our abilities. So it matters in the end if you try. Yes, how was y'all's day doing? Mine is doing good. Just don't let me go this way. Yep, there you go. I hate different stops, dude. Where are all these stops? Ah, take that back. That's convenient. You bring up this one. Missing. What am I missing? I think in here is original. No. Oh my god. Don't mind that, guys. I'm yoinking this one. That's not good, is it? Driver's side. Good enough. Probably have one of these. Oh, we got a bounce. I nearly didn't see my goddamn back bumper just now. I'm like, did I leave it? Now we got it. You guys should get this game if you guys like my content. Small group of people working on this game, so with the amount of speed they're doing with this, I'm actually pretty surprised. So support a good game, will ya? Oops, the car. I'm not dealing with that. If I should gas the next stop. You never really see anything at those firing ranges in general at the grocery store, so I never stopped there. Stopped there all the time my last days and, you know, spent too much time there. Oh my god. That just flew into a tree. Another stop. This is a grocery store. Nope. Oh damn. Damn. Neon red. Oh damn. You can add it anywhere. That's pretty cool. Two of them. My head's also really powered. Driver door. Is this a sprinter van? Passenger turns in signal. That's what I'm saying, the turn signal. Got you. Gold. Jackpot. Hammer. Jump that on the trailer. Passenger turns. I'll probably look at the car more when it's daytime. But I think that's everything from here. That's all good. Nope, we have a trunk. Passenger reinforcement. Good enough. Alright. Let's go. These lights are gonna be fun to get. Why are there two zombies, yo? Most random two zombies I've ever seen. Yeah, those things I never saw either. I love, like, sometimes you can't hear the engine, like, did my engine stall? I forgot to check gas. Drifted, 1, 2, 3. This game has damn makes FedEx would be cooked. I think I'll max leave this be at like 25 minutes. The computer's overheating because I've been using it for a few hours. Bulk making videos. We got Raft. We got Repo. I was thinking of making Satisfactory. So let me know about that. I'm getting Raft, Repo, and Lethal on the company bench. I already have Raft. Like, Repo and Lethal you'll probably see sometime this week. When you see it posted. Or when this was posted, if you will. Butterfly. Oh. Nope. No, what cook? You're so this game is so lucky you haven't had it like if you hit a tree you just die. It would be funny if you would just spontaneously combust out of your vehicle. Someone needs to let me know what I'm missing off this car. Nope, I am not dealing with y'all. I'm peace, I'm out of here. You're not catching me alive. No zombies here. Shall body kit. W. I think I'll try hitting 65 and I'll, end the video for now. I don't want to keep making it an hour long because, I probably when I get bored after like a few hours of doing the exact same thing. Also, because I don't think guys would watch just an hour video as opposed to like a 15-20 minute video. But you guys should let me know if you just rather 20-minute videos, like maybe once a day, once every 2 days I post, or like an hour, maybe 2 videos a week. Rather an hour, 2 hour videos, I mean 2 1 hour videos a week, or like one video every 1 to 2 days at 20 minutes.
Someone triggered a repeater tower Westerfear. Just for a few seconds. That means someone's out.
This would be. I'm gonna end it here. Guys. So I'll meet you on the next one, and peace.